Choose the right brush and suddenly, there's not a single dog hair left in the house. Traditional combs might pull out dirt, but they're such a pain to clean. Now, imagine combining the best of both. This one-click de-shedding brush does exactly that. It reaches deep to remove loose undercoat and dirt in one go. Just brush and press, and in minutes, all the loose and deep fur is gone. It even rolls the hair into neat strips for easy cleanup. With this brush, dog owners only need one tool to stay ahead of the mess.